But yes, heck yes. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink. And yes, this is my Black Friday haul. No, I don't have all the products to show you, but you know what? The show is still going to go on. We still gonna film this here video, all right? So my Black Friday shopping started off with a Unicurl, okay? Unicurl was having a $9 sale starting at 9 a.m. on Thanksgiving. Now, it was active just a little bit before 9 a.m. actually, because I was like in the bed, like had my phone, I was looking at it. And so I was like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and shop then before 9 o'clock. So I started early. Now, $9 is actually slightly more than 40% off for their particular usual pricing range. So I felt like that was a buy it now price. Also, I'm going to be giving out many awards throughout this, and Unicurl definitely tied for fastest shipping. Okay, I ordered Thursday and received the products on Monday. Okay, so from Unicurl, the first thing that I got was the Dragon Fruit Curl Fantasy Clear Styling Gel. I believe they changed the packaging of this. Let me tilt it so you can see. It's really cute. I like that it's clear. Okay, I also picked up the 4-in-1 styler. This is a product that they seem to really promote, so I'm gonna see what this do. And then last thing I got from Unicurl, I picked up the 5-minute well, it's Moisture Fantasy moisturizing conditioner. It's supposed to be like a deep conditioner, but it's like a 5 minutes. Like, it's kind of like along the lines of the whole 5-minute things they're doing with the drugstore products. This is kind of trying to do the same thing, and it's from their Dragon Fruit line. I don't know if I still have the packing slip from this. Okay, yeah. So on this one, the packing slip, each of these products is a regular $16, and I paid $21 for everything before the shipping and all that kind of stuff, whatever. Okay, honestly, I don't care what I paid for the shipping because it came so fast. Okay, so the next company that I shopped with was Curlsmith. Curlsmith was the second part of the tie for fast shipping. I ordered on Thursday, again another Thanksgiving purchase, and I received the products on Monday. I will say for them, I did not know about their sale until I came across an Instagram ad. Like, the Instagram ad was out before they actually started promoting it actively on their website. And it was one of those sliding scale type of sales, like the more you buy, the more percentage off that you're gonna get. And I was happening to be buying enough that I was A, going to get free shipping, and so B, the 30, I think I earned 30% off. And for me, I'm willing to do 30% off if you have free shipping, or if I'm triggering the free shipping by buying enough. So I went ahead and went with that deal and got everything 30% off at Curlsmith. I, of course, picked up both the deep conditioners. So this is the one from their moisture recipe, the double cream deep quencher. And then I also picked up from their scalp recipe, which is their other line, the blue line. And that is the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. And I actually believe they have a new line out. It's purple. I was on Ulta's website and I saw it and I was like, oh, look up there. Came out with a new line. And then from their moisture recipe, I also picked up a styler. I picked up a full-size in-shower style fixer. Y'all. Woo, and this style fixer smells so good. It's a very distinct smell. It kind of reminds me of like Mr. Bubble. And I love Mr. Bubble. Okay, that's not any shade at all to them. But I thought it was funny because the last thing that I picked up from them was the hair makeup. And I picked it up in the red color. I was thinking about doing something new, and because y'all know I've already had red hair, and I was like, but I liked it though. So I picked up the red, and suspiciously enough, and I don't know if it's that they touched or whatever in the package, nothing else smells like it at all, but this smells like the in-shower style fixer. And I looked at the ingredients, and some of the ingredients in the top are kind of similar. So I am suspecting that this hair makeup, conspiracy theory, y'all, conspiracy theory. This might just be the in-shower style fixer, but with color in it. I'm not saying that as official word. But they smell too similar, and the ingredients on the top are too similar for this to be a coincidence. Curlsmith's Pack and Slip did not have pricing information on it, so I'm not gonna bother, but just know that Curlsmith cost, and I got it at a decent discount, and I got free shipping, and it was fast, period. Okay, so still on Thanksgiving, the last thing I bought on Thanksgiving, I purchased from Obia. I did not see Obia coming. This was much later in the day on Thanksgiving. They had been quiet on their social media for quite some time. So I was like, okay, they ain't gonna do nothing. Maybe they were impacted by COVID to the point where they're not going to offer a sale this year, is what I kind of suspected. Well, then they popped up on the site like, here's a code, here's the website. And so they were 40% off, which again, that's my buy it now. If it's 40% off, I will purchase, all right? So, and I also will say with my little awards that I'm giving that Obia is second place for cheapest shipping because their shipping never really cost that much anyway. I said that last year, I believe. But what I purchased from them this year was Curl Enhancing Custard. Y'all know I love this stuff. It's excellent. If you haven't seen my review on it, check it out. I also have it in my hair in that 9 gels for natural hair. I also am, that's what's in my hair in that video. Lovely. But yes, heck yes. I like this that much that I was like, ooh, 40% off, buy it now price, okay. But before y'all be like, now Kayla, before y'all go in on me, I actually bought one for my mom though. I'm actually gonna package one of these up and send it to my mom. She has short natural hair and she did get all the heat damage cut off, and she does use like a cream to style her hair. Some cream she bought at TJ Maxx that had like, I think it was a xanthan gum based cream. And so I felt like my mom would really like this product and that it would give her maybe even stronger hold than what she's getting with the product that she uses. So I'm not using all 4 of these. I'm sending one away before anybody judge me. But yeah, I really like it. And I feel like maybe they changed the packaging. Something about this, I don't know, I have to go watch the original video that I made, but I feel like this packaging is slightly different, or maybe they slightly changed the color of the label or something. Some seem a little different here. All right, y'all, so Black Friday started really early for me, okay? Midnight, and you already know, Soultanicals, that's one sale you got to be there at midnight or you're not gonna get okay? And I learned it the hard way because there were 2 items that were in my cart that were in stock before the sale and they disappeared after the sale. And what's really, really a slap in the face is that my face is on the sales page, looking back at me like, here's the product you didn't get in your cart. So I tried to order more of the gel, the Drip and Grip, and you know, it jumped right out of my cart like that. But I did manage to get the Ambunu Deep Conditioner, the new trendy herb that's on these streets. I did manage to get the deep conditioner. Now, I don't know where the deep conditioner is because Soultanicals shipped my product. I mean, they shipped it in, I would consider, a decent amount of time. They surely did. It left New Jersey a week ago. I have no idea where it is now. It's somewhere between there and Florida. I don't know where my package is. USPS ain't scanning a thing. So I don't know where my package is. It was supposed to come Monday. It's Thursday. I don't know where my package at. So, oh, and Soultanicals was 40% off, y'all. I forgot to say that, 40% off. Now, EcoSlay was doing a 40% off as well between the hours of 12 and 2. You can see a pattern here. Everybody was offering 40% off, which is generous considering everything that's going on. So I went ahead and made my EcoSlay purchases as well, and that went right on through beautifully. Okay, so I picked up the deep conditioner, of course. Let's let it adjust, honey. Let's get close. This is the, what do they call this? The banana cream deep conditioner. I was excited to try this because a lot of people were saying that it was really, really good. And then of course I picked up 2 stylers. I picked up the Jello shot. I have Jello shot because y'all been in my comments about some Jello shot. It's here, it has arrived. And then I also picked up the orange marmalade because I feel like how can I come and do this Jello shot, the new products, and then not like at least try the original product that was their style, that they kind of put them on the map? How can I try the new stuff and not try this? You know what I mean? So I got that, and all of that was 40% off. Okay, so this next one was also supposed to be a midnight deal, but sis, they're in Texas. Tejas, okay? Alexis with a matching down in Texas. I don't know if that's the lyrics, but whatever. So Genador Beauty, honey. I purchased from Genador Beauty. As far as the awards that I'm giving out here, Genador Beauty takes the cake with the cheapest shipping. Yes, Lord, we love it. So I waited till 1 o'clock here. Yes, honey, I stayed awake another hour to get the Genador sale. Genador was also offering the magic number of 40% off, and they also released a new product. So before I talk about the new product, let's talk about the old one. Okay, so this is another product that like I felt like, how can I try the new stuff and be on the new stuff if I don't try the stuff that they, you know, kind of were known for? So I picked up the Swirl Curls Gel Styler. It says it provides soft and medium hold. I'm gonna apply it like I apply my botanical gels and then hope for the best. But this is their original styler that they had. And then I also picked up the new styler. I got the smaller size. And this is the Smooth and Defined Moisturizing Gel Styler. And this one is listed as being medium to strong flexible hold. So this is a stronger hold than the original. I didn't know that when I bought it. I just bought it because I was like, oh, it's a new styler in addition to the original styler that they had. So let me try the new. Like, they dropping a new product. Let's try it out. But I had no idea that is actually being marketed as a stronger hold gel. I actually had 2 carts for them on different devices in my home, and I thought that I was purchasing from the cart that had the full-size product. So I actually was intending to buy the bigger one, but then I realized after the fact that it was a 6 ounce, and I was like, whatever, I'll just get the 6 ounce one. I probably ain't gonna be able to do my hair but like one time with the 6 ounce. But if I like it, I can purchase again, and I'm probably gonna like it because it is a stronger hold than the original gel, and people seem to like the original one. The best sale was one that I did not see coming, and this is the last company that I shopped with on actual Black Friday. I think maybe I shopped during the day. It wasn't like, I don't know. I think I found out about the sale through the comments. So that was She Sent It. She Sent It, they have not posted on their social media in a really long time. They posted after so long on Instagram, they posted like a happy Thanksgiving type situation. People in the comments like, is there gonna be a sale? Is there gonna be a sale? And in their comments, people were like, oh yeah, their sale is this. You put in gold 50 and it's 50% off. So it is the best deal that I got. No one was really offering 50% this year, but they went ahead and offered 50. And on top of that, they dropped a new line as well. I was like, oh, okay, new product. I literally didn't expect a sale or a new product at all. None of that did I expect, and for it to be the best sale too, that's crazy. So I have here on my phone what I purchased, because before the sale they were like, oh, we're having delays due to COVID, 15 business days you can expect to wait before we even ship. And then they were like, you know, then they quickly changed the message to say due to Black Friday, 15 business days to ship. So this is the one item that I purchased that has not shipped at all. You know, so and that was, I purchased the Plum Nectar and Agave Curl Perfection Styling Custard. It's totally a purchase influenced by IKEA, from a love for me, period. And then I also purchased from the new line that came out, the Moroccan Gold Oil Jelly Marmalade. All right, everything came in at $31.98, but Gold 50 took 16 bucks off. So the grand total with shipping was $23.73. Their shipping doesn't seem to cost that much either, but Genador and Obia were cheaper than that. There's let's see, on here the She Sent It shipping is $7.75. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. But anyway, I'm excited to try these 2 stylers, and I actually, looking back, wished that I had purchased the foam as well, because my styling foam, I don't think I could do my whole head another time with that. And I would like to try different foams to eventually produce some content surrounding foams, because people have been asking me about the foams. Okay, who y'all want to see next? I mean, who y'all want to see first? Who y'all got? All right, listen, I know y'all like these videos, So I'm gonna go ahead and link my Black Friday wish list video so you can see who didn't actually make it to the actual haul, probably because they were offering a sale that was less than 40% or 30% with free shipping. And then I'm also going to link another video down here, probably just let YouTube recommend one for you. Subscribe, stop searching for my name, stop doing that. Subscribe and put me on your subscriptions page, and I will talk to you in the next one.